Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to protect your Excel file with password. So friends, to protect your file with password, so firstly open Excel, then click on File. In here click on Protect Workbook. You will find this option. So just click on it. In here click on Encrypt with Password. Now enter your password like 1234. Then click on OK. Again re-enter password 1234. Then click on OK. Now click on Save. I will save this file on my PC's desktop. Then click on Save. Now close it and try to open that file. So as we can see, it's protect with password. So without password, this file can't be opened. So enter your password 1234. Then click on OK. That's it. So friends, hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more useful videos.